Bishop Andy Luter on behalf of Manna Newspaper, and I want to share with you today Reverend Noreen Davis. Thank you for being with us today, Reverend Davis. Reverend Davis, tell us how long you've been involved with the Manna organization, when you joined, and what was the purpose for your joining?
Well, I joined Manna because of the collaboration of the pastors that had formed for their social action beliefs and how it was affecting, how the church could affect the community. I joined when I was just coming into ministry. That has been 15 years ago. And I found it to be very exciting, the opportunity for a young minister like myself coming in, having the capability to use my gift that people had saw in me of writing and the activism that is instilled in me. That's what drew me to Manna.
You talked about the writing that the Lord has placed inside of you. You have recently made a decision to be a part of our Manna newspaper. What is it that you hope to bring to this enterprise?
I hope to bring in this endeavor a new perspective, the information that is accessible to us that we can display to our community, things that will affect and also to bring resources. Jesus was not only a teacher, but he also was of action.
Thank you very much. This again is Andy Luter of Manna Newspaper.